Estillos Official. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I am Estillos Official from Chicago, and this is my first haircut tutorial. I hope you enjoy. In this video, I'm going to be cutting Matty's hair, giving him a high mid fade. I'm going to start this haircut by taking all the weight off his sides, making a nice clean canvas for me to work on. Now that he's all cleaned up, don't forget to dust your client up nice and gentle. I'm starting my first guideline with my Barber Pro FX. Cutting down all that extra weight off his sides. Clean up your canvas with your A1 and the ZR card. Make the second guideline. If you see a line, tap it with your FX trimmers. Grab your Andes ZR 1.5 guard and fade into your 2 guard. Take your 1/8 and fade into your 1.5 guard. Fade your 1.5 guard into your 1. With the lever up, use your wall clipper to get rid of those visible lines, using only the side of your blade. Follow your previous steps for the next side. Remember, you want to fade up your client according to his head shape and facial features. Don't make him look bad. Connecting both of his sides and creating one full fade. Skill and practice, that's all it takes. We are doing the same technique on the other side, so we are going to speed up the video. I like to decline my chair while doing my client's lineup. This way, they feel more safe and comfortable. Spirits gives a nice definition touch on the lineup. Make his lineup pop up with a clean razor blade. Use this technique for beards and hair lineups. Gently start tapping the blade against the skin, making those corners extra sharp. Let me know what you think about this haircut down below. I hope this haircut brings some value to your cuts and teaches you something new. This is your boy Estillos Official. Like this video, subscribe to this channel. Till next time.